Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenAI Assistants API for tool calling. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have an OpenAI account and access to the API. Visit the OpenAI website and navigate to the API section. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the API key in your account settings. Copy the API key for later use. Next, decide on the programming language you will use to interact with the OpenAI API. If you're using Python, ensure you have Python installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Install the required library by running the command pip install OpenAI. Create a new Python file in your preferred code editor. At the top of the file, import the OpenAI library by adding the line import OpenAI. Set the API key in your script by using the line OpenAI.API_key equals your replace your _API_key_ here with the API key you copied earlier. Now, you can create a function to make API calls. Define a function named call_OpenAI_API. Inside the function, include parameters for your query and any additional options. Use the OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create method to send your request to the API. Pass the required parameters such as model, messages, and any other settings. Capture the response from the API in a variable. Extract the relevant output from the response. You can then print or return the output based on your requirement. Test your function by calling it with a sample query. Run your script to see if the API responds as expected. Adjust your code based on the results you receive. Continue refining your function for tool calling and other specific uses. Explore the documentation further to understand advanced features and settings. Implement error handling in your code to manage potential issues. Always monitor your API usage to stay within the designated limits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.